Price niya is 1,335,000 pesos. Ganyan kami katipid. Delayed gratification. Maglulugaw na lang tayo. Check natin yung progress ng showroom natin. New day, new bag. So today, meron tayong another special delivery ng Kelly 25. And yung color niya is everyone's favorite, the classic golden gold. So yung occasion ngayon is this will be a surprise birthday gift for her mom. So let's meet our client. Dito daw kami mag-meet sa lobby. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, you're my idol.
Ay, wow! Grabe naman sa
I see
iPhone.
you on TikTok a lot. Grabe naman sa iPhone.
Yeah. Your siblings?
Yeah, this is my sister. We went to see the bag in your store.
Oh, kayo pala yun. And then, birthday gift
My mom.
for
Our mom.
Sorry, first
Kelly,
Kelly, but not the first Hermes.
Yes.
Ano na yung mga nasa collection mo?
She has the garden party, which I also got for her birthday last year.
Grabe. So, ito birthday gift nyo or ni daddy for mommy?
The three of us.
Or
We thought of daddy. Yeah,
He
yes. He just
Sobrang-
paid for it, but we thought of this.
Sobrang thoughtful niyo.
Yeah.
Sobrang extravagant ang birthday gift.
I think she deserves it.
And sabi nung ni Rara, nagpunta pa daw kayo sa Greenbelt to check kung may
Yes.
available.
Pero ultimately, we chose this bag kasi we really like how the condition looked to us. Yes. And the price was really good.
Nag-ask around na kayo sa
Yes,
sellers.
it ranges between like 1.3 to 1.6. Pero because of the condition, 1.3 it was good for us, right?
Yes, and this is a stamp kit.
Yes,
2023. And full set siya with story receipt. And I think nakita nyo na yung condition
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
store. We want it to be special, so dapat si
Yes.
mommy na lang ang mag-antay ng Hermes ribbon, ang mag-unbox. Discuss ko na lang yung details. So this is Kelly 25, gold on gold. So specifically, Kelly talaga yung gusto ni mommy.
She wanted bag na Cellier.
Cellier
Yes,
for
but we
Kelly.
couldn't find Birkin Cellier. So our next best thing was Kelly Cellier.
We have Birkin 30 Cellier.
Yes, but sesame, right?
I don't like the sesame color.
She wants gold on gold.
Oh, okay. But
Sorry,
the
I
size-
really checked all of your bags talaga.
At least we have one.
Yes, buti na lang you had it. Very rare. So
Yes,
I was
oo.
really glad you had it.
And then, nung nag-check na ako ng prices, medyo mataas na eh.
Yes.
Around 1.4 for a pre-love one.
So bukas ibebenta na natin siya.
Ay, wow.
Joke lang.
So, yung price niya is 1,335,000 pesos for stamp fee. Kelly 25 Cellier, gold on gold. And the condition is almost good as new. Thank you so much.
you so much, Miss
My
J.
regards to your mommy.
Yes.
Please tell her that happy birthday. Pero nanonood si mommy ng New Day, New Bag.
Hindi ko. Ako
Ay,
lang.
hindi ko na. Pero she loves bags talaga.
Super.
She's a collector.
Super, yes. That's why I got into it also, because of her.
Yung size na 25, kayo nag-decide.
Yes, I did.
I did.
She did.
Feeling ko kayo may type.
Oh my.
Feeling ko yung hirapin niyo kay mommy.
Hindi niya ito ilalabas
Twinkle yung eyes
ever.
niya.
Siya nga naghawak nung nasa story. Oh, this is bagay with me. Okay, we'll get it.
Bagay with you, not with mom pala. No? Iba na yung nasa, pag ito sa akin. How young are you?
I'm 16 po.
Wow, 16.
I'm 20.
Okay, 16. Wow, kulat ako. Thank you.
Thank you. Sa'yo na yan.
Ako na sa'yo.
Thank you. Thank you po.
So after delivery, let's eat dinner. Nakakagutom kasi yung Antonios. So next time dun kami magdi-dinner ni Habi kapag mga special occasion. Kasi kailangan daw mag-book ng appointment
fully
in
booked na yun
advance. Oo. And then after mag-dinner, check natin yung progress ng showroom natin. Excited na mag-open. Kailan ang opening? Expected natin within 3 weeks. Sana hindi na umurong. Hopefully matapos na siya within 3 weeks. Kasi gusto namin mag-spend ng Christmas party sa bagong showroom. Tayo kakain na magpasa tayo. Ito. Pili ka, Kawa Ramen or Go to Believe.
Lugaw? Okay din yung lugaw.
Maglulugaw na lang kami. After mo magbenta ng Kelly,
Pero
worth
meron
1
din
million,
doon din
maglulugaw na lang tayo.
Sige, okay.
Ganyan kami katipid. Delayed gratification even sa food. Ay, late na rin ang mukha mo. Mukha ka na... mukha ka ng baby. Time check, 10 p.m. So check lang natin yung progress natin. Check lang natin yung progress ng showroom natin. Ayan, kinakabit na yung tiles. Yay! Ay, sorry po. Nag-check lang po. Ay, may tiles na pala. Kunti na lang. Cabinet na lang. Yung ceiling, next na po. Paano nasukat ni engineer yung tiles?
Engineer siya eh. Paano mag-balance ang balance sheet? Ganun ba?
Paano mag-balance ang balance?
Saturday matapos na.